Okay, so there's another new thing that I definitely wanted to bring to everyone's attention. Copilot can now automatically reschedule one-on-one meetings and personal events based on your performance. The summary reads, Copilot can now automatically reschedule flexible one-on-one meetings and personal events based on user preferences to resolve scheduling conflicts. The feature requires a Copilot license, will roll out from mid to late November 2025 and helps save time by reducing manual rescheduling. What does that all mean? Let's get down into it. So basically what you can do is teach Copilot through Outlook how to actually set up meetings. In certain meetings you may have in your calendar where you're like, these are low priority. So if a conflict rears its ugly head, guess what? Copilot can say, hey, according to the preferences you told me, this meeting that just came in is more important than the one that you told me about. So therefore, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it for you based on the criteria that you gave me. The punchline is Copilot is actually catching when you have double or triple bookings, and based on the requirements that you give it, it'll automatically start shuffling your schedule around for you. Now, as it was stated in the summary, this is going to be released mid-November. We're on November 12th when I'm shooting this video. We're already in mid-November. In this particular image, you can actually see the toggle where you can actually turn on saying if conflicts arise, this particular meeting will be able to be rescheduled by Copilot. Now this image actually shows when you do the acceptable times, that link right there, this little flyout is going to happen, and you're going to actually be able to say what days as well as what times you want to be able to actually reschedule to. As I said before, you need to let the users know that this is coming, as well as give any guidance that you feel is necessary so that they're able to understand what the goal is and how they can achieve it so that they can use it to their advantage. So there are several compliance things that you have to keep in mind. The first one is that when they turn this on, you're going to actually have Copilot reading your calendar data. The second bullet point is probably saying the same thing, but just a different way. Copilot is going to be using AI to analyze your calendar to ensure that you are not double booked. And the third bullet point is just kind of adding up and saying, yes, indeed, users are going to interact with Copilot to manage their scheduling. All of it's saying the same thing from different ways to just make sure it's absolutely and utterly clear.